All right, guys, we've had some terrible weather here lately. We've been flooded out. If you've seen any of the videos on my channel, you've seen the flood. But we are gonna head to Damascus, Virginia this morning and go see how bad it is. Apparently you cannot even drive through town right now. So we're gonna go up and see how bad it is. If we see anything on the way, I will get some footage of that as well. And I'll see you guys here in a few minutes. Just to give you guys an idea, the river was all the way up to right here the other day, okay? You can see all the debris over here. The water was all the way up in here. Now I'm going to show you how far it is till we get to the river. You can see this was all nasty sand and mud and whatnot. And you can see how deep down that is there. So this was all full. This was basically a pond right here. You can see how nasty this is. And you can also see over on the other side the devastation over there. So every bit of this right here that we've been on was underwater. Just absolute destruction through here, guys. You know, if you've seen my videos, you know, like I said, I've never seen it this bad through here. I've seen it flood, and I've seen the water get up in these roads right here, but never in that section back there. It's been up in this road here before, but I've never seen it up in the road back there before. You can see how high up it was just destroying stuff. This is ridiculous. I'm trying not to move the camera around too fast so that you guys can catch a glimpse of this, but you can look and just tell that every bit of this was absolutely getting destroyed. Look at this. And this is nothing compared to what's happened in other areas, but it's just, you know, when you see it right here at home, it definitely hits different, you know. Man, look at that. That is crazy in those people's driveway. Look at this mud, how thick it is right here. It has changed the landscape of some areas around here. We're gonna go up to Damascus and see. You can see the water came across right here. Ridiculous. You talk about flash floods, guys. This was it. All right, we're gonna go to Damascus and see how bad it actually is. All right, guys, hopefully you can hear me and the wind's not that bad, but we are just coming into town. Probably not gonna see anything major down this end. I don't think Food City was underwater, but I could be wrong. Everything up here looks to be pretty good. This is crazy. Ready to go down into the pit here. Wow. Damn. We covered all this shit. Look at that road. may be the worst Damascus has ever been hit. Maybe the worst it's ever been hit. Wow. Look at this shit over here. Fucking lawnmowers flipped upside down, whole buildings tore out. Wow. Guys, let's go check it out. All right, guys, I'm here in town. I just talked to one guy that used to live here. He said he was here back in '77 when the place got hit, but he said the other end of town didn't get hit so bad. It was just one side of town. But he said this is the worst that Damascus has ever been hit. You can see there's lots of, I've only got 47 minutes of footage, so I'm only going to try to get the most devastated areas, the most important stuff. But you can see this is what Damascus is looking like right now. I drove across power lines coming out here, phone lines. So if you live here in the area, it's probably going to be a few days before any of us get any power. In the middle of Abingdon, we still don't have power. So, I mean, they are asking for anybody that can come out and help to come out. This man told me that they'll never get this fixed in the next 2 years. It's going to take a lot of time and effort to get Damascus fixed back. Apparently, you can't walk across this trestle because it's been hit so bad. You can see that everything came up on here. We're going to go around through, across over here, and we'll go check out the old mill and see how bad some of these areas are. As of now, it appears to be the worst that Damascus has ever been hit. So let's go check out the rest of it. You can see that the whole of the town here was underwater. You can see where the sand, the debris has come up here. You can see this parking lot over here was completely underwater. Everything through town here underwater. These people's house underwater. You can see trees down over here. You can just see that it wasn't here for just a short period of time. It came through here and brought the whole top of the mountain down. Like I said, it has changed the landscape around here in several places. This is someone's driveway right here, guys. Someone's driveway. And you can see how deep this stuff is that's been washed across right here. Obviously, this has been pulled from other people's driveways and stuff, but that just shows you how much it moved down here. This is probably 5-6 inches deep. And you can see it across through here. Wow, man. These poor guys got devastated. Look at this shit. We're not getting power back for a while, guys. Look at this shit. Crazy. Wow. Unbelievable, man. Check this out. My God, it looks like a damn hurricane came through here, guys. This is so soft right here. I worked at the old mill years ago. Me and some of my friends did. And you could just see what it brought in and got stuck underneath the bottom of that thing. This stuff is crazy. Look at this, you know? What was this, a porta john or something? I have no clue. Holy cow, I hate to laugh. There's nothing funny. It's just how it destroys it. Look, it took this tree, and this tree is now right there. If nothing else is crazy, that's pretty damn crazy. Look here, somebody's refrigerator down here. It's just total devastation. They're not going to be cleaned up. Look at this. Look at this. That is the roof of someone's carport. I would imagine. Roof of someone's something. Unbelievable. The love sign made it. Don't know if you guys can see it up there, but it made it. But yeah, this whole area is just devastated, man. All right, I'm gonna cut the camera off so that we can get some of the more crazy stuff. I mean, this is crazy enough, but we want to get some other stuff. Look at these poor guys here. They lost everything too. They probably don't even know where their home was, you know? Look at that stuff up there, man. It's gonna take some time to clean this up. Damascus, Virginia needs some help, guys. Damascus needs some help. I mean, this is complete devastation right here, guys. Like I said, this is the old mill here in Damascus. I worked here years ago. This was a road that came down, and this was your parking lot right here. You can't get down in here right now without a four-wheel drive. I mean, it is devastated. The parking lot was down here. I mean, you can see right here's your drain, your sewer. This stuff is feet deep. This is feet deep here. Probably 2.5, 3 feet of debris here in what was the parking lot. The old mill is still here, still standing, but I would imagine it's got to be in bad shape. It's got to be in bad shape. You know the water was up here. It brought all this stuff in here. It had to be up that high. The foundation's probably in bad shape. I want you to look at the waterfall right here, the dam, whatever you want to call it. I have never seen this much water in here. I can't even imagine how bad this was. Can't imagine. Wait till the people that work here see this. It's crazy. Unbelievable, guys. I want you to look at this. This is what Mother Nature does. No joke, man. Holy cow, dude. Oh my God. It devastated this place. Look at this, man. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh, my God. Wow. It just gutted this area. Took every bit of fill that was in there. That's what's down here now. All the fill that was right here, that was back here, is down there in the parking lot now. All right, I'm gonna cut it off. I'll cut it back on when we see some more devastation, which I'm sure we're going to. All right, guys, we're on the upper side of the old mill now. This is pure craziness. Pure craziness. It looks like they brought the beach to us. Wow. Unbelievable. Wow. I know you guys can't see down there very well, but it's just piled up. Propane tanks, windows, anything you can imagine. Look at the HVAC units over here. They've just dropped off. Unbelievable. Where did that come from? Who knows? Probably miles away. This is unbelievable. Like I said, Damascus needs some help, guys. There's no way we can do this all by ourselves. I mean, we can, but it's going to take some time. This is unbelievable. To get a quick little shot of this parking lot. I mean, this thing just looks like it was old, nasty, terrible junk to begin with, but it wasn't. This was it right here. And you can see it was actually a good parking lot. I think a lot of these cracks here might have happened when this came through. Maybe not, but it wasn't in that bad of shape for it to be destroyed like that. Wow. Look at this, guys. Unbelievable. Pure craziness. Pure craziness. Golf clubs laying out here, just unbelievable. Look at this drift right here, you know. That deep of sand just gets poured in these people's yard. Look at this over here. Unbelievable. Wow. These poor guys got smashed. Lucky their house is still standing there. Cabin, whatever you want to call it. Look at this. Their whole porch got sucked out. Wow. Are you kidding me? Look at this stuff. I just bought a brand new pair of shit kickers yesterday, guys, and I didn't even wear them out here. Is that dumb or what? Wow. This whole place could come down. Feel sorry for them. You know, you think, man, I've got the greatest place in the world right here on the creek, you know. This is just heaven. And then this happens. Man. Holy shit, guys. It's getting worse. It is getting worse and worse. Wow. I'm sure this video is doing no justice. This is just, wow. Unbelievable, man. How does this happen? Well, we all know how it happens, but it's just, can't even believe it. Can't even believe it. Wow, no way. Wait till you guys see this. This is crazy. Oh, wow. Holy shit. Are you kidding me? This ain't real. This shit ain't real, man. Look at this chainsaw. Just, where did it come from? Who knows? Wow. This is, no way, man. No way. Wow. You have got to be kidding me. That place is destroyed. Well, there'll be more to come, guys. You see, everybody's out here today, getting her done. I don't know what we're going to be able to do, but we got to come up here and help. We have to come up here and help these guys get straightened out, for sure. Wow, look at this stuff, guys. This is complete devastation. This town is going to be hard at it for the next, I don't know, years to come. This is going to take some major fixing. This whole parking lot is unlevel right here. How's it going, fella? Look at this shit, guys. Look at this. How do you even fix this? You have to bring in, you know, you have to bring in fill dirt. You've got to fix all this. I mean, you don't just fix this. I mean, this is some serious work here. This is, there's places, you know, these people can't even get out of here. You know, maybe they can go around back out that way, but they can't even hardly get out of here. This is craziness. Pure craziness. It moved this camper. It just backed it right up into that tree, nice and all nice and neat. There you go. Yeah, Damascus needs help, guys. They need help. They need help, you know, and I don't have any power at home. It's going to be a couple days before I can upload this video, but it's going to be way more than a couple days to get this shit cleaned up. So, you know, if you're seeing this video and you've got some free time, Damascus could definitely use some help. So let's all try to get out here and help them. You might even see me up here. If you do, you come and say hello. I guess the upper end here is in pretty decent shape, but I do think when you get further up on the mountain, there were some roads that got flooded out and washed away, and I think there's actually a couple sections that you cannot make it past. So if you come through here, don't plan on going up on the mountain. All right, guys, that's pretty much the worst of the worst, which is plenty bad enough. But if I happen to see anything else on the way back, we'll stop and get some more footage. Well, guys, I'm just gonna start right here and let the camera run while we go back to the vehicle, and we'll just see everything as we go. We came from over there. We'll go out this way. Let's see. Let me see. There's a part of the parking lot right there. Look at this stuff. Crazy. It's crazy. Unbelievable. Came right through here and just messed everything up. Crazy. Look at this lawnmower. Just parked that thing right there. Goodness gracious. Hey, Pooch. How you doing, bud? How's it going, bud? All right. Good God. Get that building. Just got turned up. Knick-knack's still hanging out there. Don't know how. You know, we had that flooding down there where I live. I didn't think anything about up here, you know. I didn't realize these guys were gonna get devastated like this. Makes me think, you know, that little bit we had down there was nothing. Buildings all leaning sideways and shit. Wow, this whole area got smashed. Good God, I bet you this restaurants right here got destroyed because they're down low. I wonder how high the water went up over there. Look at how much, that's a foot thick right there. I don't know, I don't see where the water quite made it up to the windows, did it? Wow. Hello. All right, guys. That's the end of the destruction.